The aim of this video is to solve the following question. Item 1. Find an expression for the general term of the arithmetic sequence 22, 19, 16, and 13. Firstly, when I talk about general term, it means it will be a formula with n still within the formula. When I do an arithmetic sequence, I always start looking. The first value is called a, so I can write down a is 22. The other thing about an arithmetic sequence, it has a difference. So the difference is term 2 take away term 1, and in this particular case, term 2 is 19. If I take away term 2, I get, or term 1, sorry, I get negative 3. Then I have a formula for the nth term, which is Tn equal a plus, in brackets, n minus 1 d. But I don't know what's n. So I'll fill in and substitute the a value of 22 as well as the d value of negative 3. Now look how I put it, the negative 3 in a bracket, which means I'm going to expand the minus 3 into that bracket to try and simplify this expression. So I get 22 minus 3 times n is minus 3n. Minus times a minus is a plus. 1 times 3 is 3. There are still some like terms, so I'm going to add them up. 22 add 3 gives me 25 minus 3n. And this is the final answer. So just to check, yes, it is a general term because it has the unknown n still within the formula. So if I know the n, I just substitute in n. Thank you.